a bill that provided that IRS would get $80 billion in mandatory funding, which was meant to double the size of the IRS by 87,000 employees. This additional $80 billion, which comes on top of its annual appropriation, is over 6 times more than it received through annual appropriations in 2022. Now, I expect the new Congress, starting January 3rd next year, there's going to be an attempt to reduce the $80 billion and not go for the 87,000 additional employees. I favor doing just that. However, in the meantime, the $80 billion and the 87,000 employees is law. And so this unprecedented increase in funding demands that Congress have a comparable increase in congressional oversight of the IRS, exacting and unyielding oversight, to be precise. After all, we're talking about 87,000 new employees. To begin this oversight, Finance Committee Republicans, including this senator, sent a letter to the Government Accountability Office in October in pursuit of this oversight. In that letter, we asked for information on outstanding issues that the Government Accountability Office has identified at the Internal Revenue Service and the status of recommendations the IRS has failed to implement.
Hello, dear friends. Happy Monday to all of you. Deposits are starting to happen. Social Security recipients can expect to receive extra money from their monthly benefits in just 11 days. These new payments will be automatically deposited for millions of Social Security beneficiaries. But many analysts are warning about the cost of living adjustment and how it will affect Social Security in the long run. My friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video to hear about the complete details. Also, to say thank you for being part of this community. I will be giving away a $50 Walmart gift card every day this month. Please make sure that you enter these giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you watch and leave a comment on, the more likely your chances of winning these daily giveaways. So recipients of Supplemental Security Income will receive a payment of $914 on December 30th. That is the first check reflecting 2023's massive increase for Social Security payments. SSI recipients are receiving 2 payments this month due to the first day of January falling on a national holiday. The payment on December 30th will be slightly higher than the first payment from earlier this month on December 1st, when SSI recipients received $841. This is because the Social Security Administration is enacting a cost of living adjustment to monthly benefit, leading to the payments in the new year being 8.7% larger. The December 30th payment will mark the first of 2023 SSI payments, due to SSI recipients receiving no payments in January. A total of 12 SSI payments are issued by the Social Security Administration every year, so that recipients can receive 1 payment every month. In 2023, recipients will be provided 2 payments within the same month in April, June, September, and December, due to the first of the month falling on a weekend or a holiday. With the increase, the average benefit check will rise more than $140 to $1,827 per month, compared with the typical benefit of $1,681 in 2022. Millions of seniors lost purchasing power this year, since a 5.9% that they received in 2022 is well below this year's rise in prices. The average Social Security benefit fell short of inflation by more than $500 this year. And as a result, 4 in 10 seniors said they had drained their emergency savings just to stay afloat. Mary Johnson, Social Security and Medicare policy analyst at the Senior Citizens League, said, "Anytime they go through a loss of buying power, That means they are exhausting other retirement resources, like savings, or maybe putting more on a credit card, or they might turn to safety net programs. Anytime they go through a loss of buying power, that means they are exhausting other retirement resources, like savings, putting more on credit cards, or they might turn to safety net programs. She also stated, "We have been through a period where retirees are trying to cope and manage, and they have never been through anything like this before." The 8.7% COLA adjustment for 2023 will help seniors who have struggled with surging costs for everything from food, energy, to gasoline, but may take millions of them a while to rebuild their emergency savings or get back on solid financial ground. Friends, the key word for this video is spiced apple pie. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is spiced apple pie, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you're also subscribed to my channel. Remember, friends, that the more videos that you watch and then leave a comment on, the greater your chances of winning these daily giveaways. While the COLA increase will be a welcome boost for Social Security's roughly 70 million recipients, the benefits hike could result in higher taxes for some recipients. According to the Social Security Administration, single taxpayers who receive more than $25,000 in retirement income will need to pay taxes, while the threshold kicks in at $32,000 for married couples. The average Social Security benefit for 2023 will be below that amount, almost reaching $22,000 per single recipient next year. However, many seniors also have other sources of retirement income that could push them above the taxation threshold, especially after accounting for the 8.7% boost from their monthly benefit checks. Of course, taxes are dependent on a number of variables, including the standard deduction, which is increasing in 2023 to reflect inflation, and every person's tax situation will vary. Another issue that seniors should be aware of is that the impact of their higher Social Security benefits on Medicare premiums. This is mostly an issue that will impact higher income seniors, since Medicare premiums work on a sliding scale based on income. Seniors who are single and have income of less than $95,000 annually, along with those who are married with income below $194,000 a year, will pay the standard Medicare premium of $164.90. But seniors who earn over those thresholds will pay much higher Medicare premiums, ranging from $230 to $560 a month. Mary Johnson has recently told CNBC News, "The final idea to keep in mind is that their income has increased by the COLA, and it is a permanent bump for Social Security income. They will need to plan on a longer-term basis for the most tax-efficient strategies for taking their retirement income and other decisions." Well, my beautiful and magnificent dearest friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this Monday afternoon. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here and watching this new video I posted. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Virgil Barrett. Congratulations, my dear friend. To claim your gift card, please check your notifications page and send me a message. Or you can message me on my Facebook page. Friends, remember that I'll be announcing a new winner in a video later today. So please make sure that you do stay tuned for that video. Comment below the keyword of each video that you watch.